Hello, and welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Today we'll recreate the famous apple cobbler using organic ingredients. Ingredients are 5 or 6 sliced or diced Granny Smith apples, or use red ones if you like your sweet, a quarter cup unsalted butter softened, half a cup full fat unhomogenized milk or cream and water. Mixed berries, I suggest you go the frozen option. You get a kilo for the same price as a punnet of strawberries or blueberries. Cinnamon and monk fruit sweetener for sprinkling. Half a cup erythritol, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 cup unbleached white baker's flour sifted, and a sprinkle of sea salt. Step 1. Heat the oven to 180 Celsius, then butter and baking paper around cake pan. Step 2. In a food processor, place the slicing attachment, cut the apples, removing the center seed bit, then slice the apples to save a bit of time. Step 3. In a dough mixer bowl, add the butter and erythritol, mix on low until creamy. Step 4. Clean the attachment of stuck butter, set aside then. Sift in the flour, baking powder and sea salt on top, then combine on low speed. Step 5. Add the milk or cream with water to make it more liquidy. You can add cinnamon now or later. Then blend until smooth and a little runny. I should have added more water, but it still turned out nice. You can see mine is like a soft mousse, but it should be a more liquidy batter. Step 6. In a separate bowl, combine mixed berries, apples, erythritol and cinnamon. And give it a mix so it's evenly incorporated. Step 7. Put fruit mixture in the prepared cake pan. Then pour the batter on top. Sprinkle with sweetener and more cinnamon if you desire. Step 8. Bake in the preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Then remove, let it cool for 10 minutes before removing the cake tin. Once it's cool, refrigerate. Here's mine 10 minutes out of the oven. I stabbed mine with a skewer in the center to make sure it was ready, because that's what you do with cake, but mine hadn't been in the fridge yet. It will stiffen up. I'm just impatient. I added monk fruit icing and more cinnamon. Cut, serve and enjoy. Be seeing you.